In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Invoice. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to make it as easy as possible for you. Let's get started by navigating to the Credit Notes module. On your Zoho Invoice dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of modules there, and you'll want to click on the one labeled Credit Notes. This section is specifically designed to help you manage any credit notes that you may need to issue to your customers. Once you're in the Credit Notes module, the next step is to initiate a new credit note. For this, you'll need to locate the plus New button, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will open a new window where you can begin to create your credit note. The next part is entering the details of your credit note. Start by selecting the customer you're issuing the credit note to. You can do this by choosing from your existing list of customers, making it easy to ensure you have the right contact. After that, you'll set the date for your credit note. This is crucial for keeping your records accurate and up to date, both for you and your customer. Zoho Invoice will automatically generate the credit note number based on your preset settings. This feature helps maintain consistency and avoid duplication, so you don't have to worry about manually entering these numbers. Moving forward, it's time to add the items that you are crediting. Make sure to input both the quantities and amounts for each item. This part will directly affect the overall total of your credit note, so accuracy is important. There's also an optional section for notes or terms related to the credit note. If there's any information about the credit that you think would be helpful for the customer, feel free to add it here. Whether it's a reason for the credit or specific terms, these notes can provide clarity and prevent any potential future misunderstandings. Now that you've inputted all the necessary information, it's time to decide how you want to save the credit note. If you're not yet ready to send it out, you can click Save as Draft. This will save all your entries without sending it to the customer, allowing you to make any final adjustments later. On the other hand, if everything looks good and you're ready to issue the credit, select Save as Open. This action will finalize the credit note and send it to the designated customer, putting the entire process into motion. And there you have it. Your credit note is created and ready to go. With these steps, managing your credits in Zoho Invoice becomes a task that's both simple and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.